Hi, my name is Justin Dixon, and this is my cable tester project. Okay, so to start, I had the 9-volt battery. I took my first alligator clip and hooked it onto the positive side, and then hooked the other end onto the first tip of the cable. And for my second clip, I hooked it on to the tip of the other cable, and then I attached the other end to the sleeve. And for the third clip, I hooked it on to the sleeve of the first tip, and then hooked the other end into the resistor. And for the fourth clip, I hooked one end onto the other side of the resistor and the other end onto the negative side of the LED. And for the last clip, I hooked it onto the positive side of the LED into the negative side of the 9-volt battery. And before that popped off, you could see it lit up. So, there we go. And the cable tests good.